back with another goddamn banger. We got Mando this time out here. We had to jumpstart my boy Ty. My boy having battery problems. There's always something with these motherfucking cars, but that's the motherfucking.
Some of y'all probably seen the post on fucking Instagram.
Yeah.
We gonna push through it. This is what we have friends for. You know, we gonna go get this warranty fucking swap done, or I'm gonna buy a new battery. Hopefully I don't gotta buy one.
Right.
And then
from
we
there
out to
we out to CleanCulture motherfucking event. We about to see Mike.
Yeah. About to see one of the homies from UTI. He got a clean 350.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
So looking forward to it. We about to go do this shit real quick, handle this fucking thing with the AutoZone battery shit. Hopefully his warranty just
either way we gonna get it situated.
Either way situated. And look at these hoes.
I know this kind of fire. I might have to take a fucking tea so we can all get there.
Duh. Somebody riding in the trunk. We just got here to AutoZone.
Not just got here.
The AutoZonies.
We got here a while ago.
We just got here. And magically we already bought food.
And whoever can tell me what original season means, you win $10 on me.
What the fuck is original season?
If they can tell us what original season is in the comments, then I'll give you $10 via Cash App, Zelle, Apple Pay.
Whatever you take.
But you have to participate.
Why all that just rhyme? But I brought a little tire pressure gauge because for like a month already I've had the fucking low tire pressure sensor on, and I don't know which one because, you know, my shit don't say which one.
They smell funny.
So smell weird.
Alright y'all, we up inside now. We finally passed through with the QR codes. The little buggy thing. Ty over here getting us the B-roll. Got Mando with the Canon.
Got the good camera today.
The G7X.
I wish that guy wouldn't stand in the way. I could get a good picture.
Oh shit. Copyright.
It almost took me out. I'm sitting here trying to figure out where I'm gonna stand at.
Yeah, but
what Ty's doing over there. Wait for him.
we can. He's getting B-roll, I think. Yeah, it's a long ass walk. We got into the free parking because it was like $20 for the quote-unquote VIP parking. So we said free is best. Look at him. Look at him. And then we got Ty over here. Where Mike at?
Hell no.
We up in here finally. I ain't gonna lie.
That shit caught me off guard. For real, that shit scared me.
I ain't gonna lie. Is this the parking itself or is this an actual event?
I think this is just
It's hella loud.
Oh shit.
My boy was like, what you talking about?
Copyright.
like a transformer.
Is this supposed to be the $20 parking? Or is this an actual event? It was like,
I think the $20 parking is the parking, yeah.
That's crazy.
Let's get in there.
Yeah, well, we about to get into this shit. Let's fucking walk around and see what we got. Fast forward, I had to handle some shit over the phone real quick.
Duty calls.
If it wasn't about you getting food, no one cares.
It wasn't food.
That should have been.
I know.
Should have been.
But finally, we're back. Got the stains, got the Z's. Yeah. The shiny chrome.
Shiny chrome. Is there a dull chrome?
Yes. Sand it down.
Never heard of it.
The A90 Super BMWs. Got these things. The Beamers.
For real, there's nothing going on right here.
Oh look, this was probably the same one from Cars and Coffee.
That looks
4-door Civic.
That looks awful.
Is this the same one, Ty, from Super Donut? This probably is, huh?
Same color, I would assume.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same. BMW is crazy.
What is this, M6? What is it, Z06?
Yeah.
Fucking carbon accent on it.
Gotta see that whole front facade.
The SS.
This shit's crazy.
Oh shit.
That's a whole monster.
Yeah, that's clean right there. Chris, where you at with the Q?
Yeah, where you at, Chris? Got all them views for nothing.
My boy pulled up and disappeared.
all he did was a diffuser. This is sauce.
Clean right here.
I gotta build another EK. I have to. Someday.
Not the Camry being parked up. On the bags? Shit.
Not y'all both. Oh shit.
Shitting on Chris with the Forge?
Damn, Chris, you thought you was balling where the Ford carbon at? Is it really carbon at the
Damn.
Something about that coffee.
Even the interior's all forged? That is crazy.
On the Ford Stars too?
Hot Daniel.
On the 4Gs?
We're not over there yet.
4Gs? Chris, bro, step your game up. Let me find out this is Jason.
This is cool.
Let me find out this Jason.
Damn, where you at, Jason?
Where am I at? Fuck.
I could have brought my car in here.
Damn, where's you at, dog?
Damn, Mondo. Shitting on all of us out here.
Booty Patrol.
The Booty Patrol
They
again.
probably stink in there.
Smell like cheeks.
Straight bounce that ass.
Bounce that ass.
Graham crackers.
Smell like 10 pounds of bounce that ass.
They say bounce that ass.
This hella hard.
It is though.
They got one of them little things over there. They got one of them little,
Oh, yeah.
one of them little things.
Yeah, we seen that there's that one, and then it's a blue one that be at a super drive.
Yeah, it's dope.
Cause them freaking headlights on these things be needing a little
Aggression.
Yeah, that shit goofy.
The Rocket Bunny 350?
Oh, that's the homie. That's the homie Tanner from UTI that I was telling you about.
Oh, for real?
Oh, look.
Oh, this is the Pringles man.
The Pringles man?
This is the Pringles. He's over here running up on
It has
people.
been forever.
This is sick.
You black, you can't be running up on people like that.
I can run up on this fool.
Can you?
Yeah,
I can.
because I won't fight that.
This is clean though.
Yeah, I like just messaged you and put my phone
Yeah, I know.
down.
I seen that.
And I saw this shadow running after I was like, oh shit, there he
Somebody's taking my phone.
is. Oh, that's too good. The one we went to last time or no?
LS swap. 33. That's crazy. the whole show where all the cars are at. So you guys can hear in the background. The pit is right there. Almost making it pretty much at the last
We
bit.
made it to the end.
Yeah,
There wasn't shit here for real. It was like,
this thing is fucking crazy. The paletero, man? That is crazy. I think I see Mike's Carnage C5. We about to make our way over there. It's so damn fucking loud. Once we get over there, there's so much people. So to squeeze in and get a good fucking angle is gonna be kind of impossible. So when we find a spot, we'll let you know.
Suicide boy, bitch. Suicide to a kind unified. Now I'm taking what's mine. The chop out the Uzi, they take all the ARs.
From the East Coast to the West, man. Yo, have a good one, bro. Yes, sir.
It's time to call it. We got to the pit too damn late.
Yeah, and it's niggas not staying here all the way until 9 o'clock. So
Yeah.
it was an okay turnout.
it was a pretty good turn.
There was a
Yeah,
guy
it
up in
wasn't
there,
that
he
bad.
was fucking swinging his shit.
Yeah,
so that was cool.
homie
Well, I
and
did
that
get it
was
on the
probably
GoPro.
Homie and
That's
the
the only
BMW
one I
was
got on the Beamer.
Tragic.
Well, we got to the fucking thing so late.
I was trying to go.
I honestly thought they were
We're
gonna
at
be
like
there
25 minutes.
all damn day, but
25 minutes late.
I mean,
No, he was talking about going to the pit late.
to the pit.
Oh yeah.
It's time to call
Yeah,
it.
niggas thirsty. Niggas
Yeah,
hungry.
we hungry. We haven't
Uh,
eaten shit.
I almost
since
ate
the
all my
morning.
pretzels. All my
He
pretzels
almost ate all his
gone.
pretzels gone. Like that's the dude that owns Saks Beach Shop.
Oh shit.
But yeah, so we about to get the fuck out of here because I'm finna die. And we can't make no more videos if we not alive. So
Right.
yeah.
As always.
Yeah, a lot of shit going down, so stay tuned. There's hella shit going on.
We gotta record some ratchet shit.
We do gotta record some ratchet shit.
Sideshows?
Let's go do something.
This
illegal.
guy.
Yeah.
Sideshows?
I don't know about all of that. We could go do something. I don't know about attending those side shows. Niggas crazy. Anyways, yeah, more content coming soon. There's a lot of events coming up, all of that, so stay tuned. Don't you go nowhere, because if I see you, we gonna have a motherfucking problem. Peace.
What kind of problem?
I don't know. Y'all figure it out.
We'll catch you guys on the next one. As always, peace out. Have a good one. So you guys the fuck out.
Drop the